there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have been a longtime customer of the Janeiro Rio Deo deodorant, but I recently noticed a cool upgrade, and that is that you can now buy these really cool refills for your deodorant. I think that this is such a unique and innovative idea, and replacing the cartridges could not be easier. All I have to do is take my original deodorant case and remove the cartridge that is completely used. With the refill, I take the top off to reveal the fresh new product, and then I simply put it in to the old shell of my original deodorant. It fits in perfectly, and I can use the twisting function to twist up and down the product like I would with the original. I like that the different scents of the refills come in the same refill packaging. So if I wanted to, I could put a brand new scent in my old deodorant casing. After the refill is completely installed, I am all topped up and I'm ready to continue using one of my favorite deodorants. I love the fact that this option saves plastic packaging, and it's also a little bit easier on my wallet too. If you're like me and you are a big fan of the Rio Deo deodorant, definitely check out the refillable options with these refills. And that's my point of view.